My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Putin. Putin. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will show you what happens with the files after they get encrypted by this particular ransomware. Now, before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types: pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without complications. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. So you try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Putin extension. The same applies to all other files. The ransomware tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you immediately get rid of this horrible ransomware. My recommendation is that you use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose, and you might need to use your Internet Explorer browser for this purpose, because other browsers may be damaged by the ransomware too. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching and investigating your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan button. Well, most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and then the scanning will begin. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know the locations of threats. Combo Cleaner Premium license is provided with this anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner Premium license does not decrypt files. Combo Cleaner only detects this ransomware, and it helps to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.